Okay, so today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair and also doing a perm rod set. I really don't know why I keep doing color. Maybe I'm going through some things. I don't know. I'm no expert when it comes to dyeing my hair, so y'all gonna have to learn with me. I'm gonna warn y'all before I start. I don't know what I'm doing, but I kind of seen a video and I'm gonna just mimic what I seen. This isn't going to work. Yo, I'm laughing right now because I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And then she did a little back comb like this. A little bit more. And then she applied the highlight here. So we're gonna do that. So I'm trying to go for like a highlight on the side with that like two-piece blonde up at the front. All right, and the same thing again, just going in and out of the hair. Don't know what I'm doing, just going for it. Oops. So I'm gonna let this work its magic. I'll be back in 15. So here's the thing. I already checked one of these and I didn't see a difference. Nope. I don't see shit. Did I forget to put this in there? What? So I have to do this all over again because I'm an idiot. This is the color that came out. I might as well have just done my whole head this color. Y'all comment down below what y'all think. Should I should have just did my whole head this color. I know my shirt is wet. I just finished washing my hair. This is shampoo condition, and I left a little bit of the conditioner in there, just a tad bit when I was washing it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and section off the back of my hair to get ready for this perm rod set. I'm gonna section this small piece off right here. And I'm gonna use, I have never used this before, it's Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. It's the curl styling pudding. It defines curls, add moisture, and creates soft, crunch-free curls. What I'm gonna do is start from the bottom where the string is at. Roll it just a little bit, and I'm gonna spin it all the way up. Okay, so now it look crazy, and this is my perm rod set. I'm gonna put a scarf on, and I'm gonna leave this in as long as possible. Damn. Anyway, so yeah, last time I left this in like 2 days, so we'll see what happens. See if I can last that long. I leave it in till it's dry. That's how long I leave it in for. Until it is completely dry. Because I'm not doing this again.